passes down. We've got Whispering of Katniss this time in third. Regal Baby running by Luneta Park, Mount Iglit, Masumax, and trailing the group Isinkama Scarlet. We have Whispering Hope running by around Arias and is Katniss. This time is racing in third. Regal Baby, Luneta Park, Mount Iglit in 6. 7 now Isinkama Scarlet and Masumax now racing in last. Whispering Hope, Katniss fighting out for the lead this time in third, moving up Mount Iglit, Arias and Regal Baby joining them. Running by Dralis, Luneta Park, Corrales fighting out for the lead. Katniss, Arias and this time Mount Iglit is Arias and Katniss this time Mount Iglit is Arias and to take second. But it's still Katniss, Mount Iglit this time Luneta Park. Katniss, Mount Iglit, Arias and Katniss, Mount Iglit fighting out for the lead as they come down to the last 150. Katniss, Mount Iglit, now Arias and to take the lead. It's now Mount Iglit, Katniss once again down on the inside, but it's still Mount Iglit over Katniss, and nearing the finish line, it's Mount Iglit, Katniss this time, Luneta Park, Regal Baby, then comes number 2, Whispering Hope, Masumax, Isinkama Scarlet.
Okay, Bayan Karevista, for our race number 4, ating unofficial winner dyan, numero 3A, Mount Iglit with Dan L. Canonero. Nasa segundo dyan, numero 4, Katniss.